These are two 5,000 PSI, 16 litre per minute Aussie Predators, all equipped for a company called Eptec, one of the leading pressure cleaner contracting companies in the country. They do ship work, major industrial work, they're top of the profession. These machines are quite special. Hamish, just tell us about this. Why did you put the stainless steel reels on?
They're going to quite a corrosive environment. You notice the stainless steel frames, stainless steel reels.
Yep.
Eptec, like as you said, a leading contracting company. They do a lot of heavy duty industrial work, so the machines need to last.
Okay, well I can see that they've also got big Bertolini pumps. You can see these are powered by big Kohler diesel engines, air cooled of course, and they come complete with all the gadgets, including the big pressure cleaner unloader. There's also a thermal dump fitted down below there, and you can see there a safety valve. Now the safety valve's paint marked just like the unloader's paint marked. That's so that you can see that if anybody messes with the settings of these units, it's very, very obvious. It's one of the biggest things they've got going for them. It's the fact that these are Class A machines. These do not require operator certification, and yet they are big 5,000 PSI contractor style diesels. We're very proud of these units and believe that they will be big in the mining industry. These are actually Mine Spec, which is another reason why they're even equipped with fire extinguishers. Heavy duty machines designed for Australian tough mining and construction applications. These particular machines may well wind up in a major dry dock doing ship paint preparation and similar jobs. Yes, they can work with turbos as well as the standard lance, and they can also come with heavy duty grit blaster kits. Stainless steel reel, 50 metres of high pressure hose, and of course 5,000 PSI rated guns. And that's the story. Eptec are experts in their field, know what they're doing. They only buy the best. That's Aussie.